Number 44, it says, X is a random variable with a normal distribution. That's a key word. That means bell-shaped curve. With the mean, mu 3.3, and sigma standard deviation is 0.2. What is the probability of selecting a number that is greater than 4? We're going to do a rough sketch of the curve. So put the mean in the middle, which is 3.3. And we want to find selecting a number that is greater than 4. We can put 4 over here. And because it's greater than 4, that means we're going to shade that to the right. So this shading is to the right. And remember, when you're shading to the right, to find your answer, to find the probability, that is going to be 1 minus the probability of the z-score. Keep that in mind. So, because we want to find the probability, and because the variable is normally distributed, that means I will have to go to the normal distribution table. But the only way I can go to the normal distribution table is if I have a z-score. And right now, we do not have a z-score. However, we can find the z-score by using the z-score formula. To find the z-score, z is equal to your data value minus your population mean, which is mu, divided by sigma, which is the population standard deviation. X can also stand for raw score as well. So z is equal to x, which is going to be 4. Put that here. Minus mu, which is 3.3. That's my mean. Divided by sigma, which is 0.2 as the standard deviation. 0.7 divided by 0.2. Z is equal to 3.5. Now we have to find the probability that z is equal to 3.50. We're going to go onto our z-score table. Okay, let's scroll down. Now, if you notice, there is no z equals to 3.50 on this chart. So what we're going to do is, because we don't have z equals to 3.50 here, I'm going to have to take the next best thing and find the probability that z equals to 3.49. And the probability that z equals to 3.49, which is right here, is 0.9998. So I'm going to write that on my review sheet. So this equals to 0.9998. But remember, this is shaded to the right. So to find the probability, put it over here, and I want to, to find the probability that x is greater than 4. That is going to equal to 1 minus the probability of the z-score, which is 0.9998. So that means the probability that x is greater than 4 is going to equal to 0.0002. And this right here is the answer. Once again, remember, because the area is shaded to the right, to find your answer, it is 1 minus the probability of the z-score. The probability of the z-score is 0.9998. Subtract that from 1 to find your answer to this question. So once again, remember, if it is shaded to the left, whatever the probability of the z-score is your final answer. The probability for the first one was 0.4013. It said final percentage. Just move the decimal over 2 spaces to the right. There you go. No subtracting from 1. But because this is to the right, you must subtract the probability from 1. And I'll catch you in number 45. Take care.